With vacation from school still going on, I'm sure you're still looking for more creative things for your kids to do. Gather your materials and I'll show you how to make these adorable mini paper kites. They are quick and easy enough for the youngest of crafters. You will need a piece of craft paper, 2 paper straws per kite, string for the kite, lightweight ribbon for the tail, a strong glue stick, your hot glue gun, scissors, a pencil, and a ruler. Choose 2 coordinating pieces of paper and cut them both down to 5.5 by 8.5. Using a very strong glue stick, cover the back of one sheet with glue and place the other color on top. Smooth the page down to make sure there are no bubbles. Using a ruler, measure and mark a spot at the top and bottom center of your paper. Measure and mark with a ruler to draw lines to make the kite shape and cut out the kite. Cut one straw into 3 pieces. Take your other straw and tie the twine about 2/3 of the way down. Add some hot glue to your straw and attach it to the kite. Take the other 2 pieces of the straw and glue them on both sides of the straw on the kite. Tie the other end of the string to your last short piece of straw. This will be the handle of your kite. Tie a piece of ribbon to the tail and allow all the glue to dry completely. Now, send the kids outside to test the kites. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.